3 bedrooms, off-road parking and a private garden in the centre of Warwick. Now this home's special. Let me show you around. Inside, it's been set up really well for modern living. You've got an open plan kitchen diner that works perfectly day to day and when you've got people over. There are 3 bedrooms upstairs plus some really useful storage space, including an attic. And then location-wise, you're right in the heart of Warwick. With cafes, restaurants and everything you need right on your doorstep, you've also got well-regarded schools and great transport links nearby. Homes like this in the heart of Warwick don't come up often. Get in touch to arrange a viewing today. Thanks for watching.